we photograph your eyes and we can then determine from the rings of brown toxicity around the pupil the amount of toxicity you've got in your bowel. Now, there are several types of psoriasis. One of them is called the guttate psoriasis, but there are generally about, to be well known, 3 types of psoriasis. The good thing about knowing that is that regardless what type of psoriasis it is, the key to healing psoriasis totally is a cleaning of the toxins in the human body. When you come to our clinic, the first thing we do is we photograph your eyes, your irises, in other words, the colored part of the eye, whether you've got brown eyes or blue eyes or hazel eyes. We photograph your eyes and we can then determine from the rings of brown toxicity around the pupil the amount of toxicity you've got in your bowel. Now, the toxicity will be found in the stomach, the duodenum, the small intestines that are 25 feet long, and the colon, which is 5 feet long. In every case we've done with all types of psoriasis, it never comes down to getting healed with drugs. It just doesn't work. It doesn't work with lotions either. What you must do if you're suffering from psoriasis of any kind is talk to us, come and see us, get your eyes done, and then we can determine the amount of toxicity you've got. We can then recommend the amount and the type of fiber, the amount of right fibers you should be eating, and the minerals that you should be taking, and the best foods to help cure the psoriasis completely. We are experts at it. We've been doing it for 45 years, since 1976. We've helped many people with psoriasis and acne and really severe skin problems. You come to us, give us a call, and come and see us, make a time, and then you'll be delighted with the results. Now, you've got to remember, it's not going to be fixed overnight. It could take anywhere from 3 weeks to 3 months, up to 8 months, depending on severity of the psoriasis. So if you like the channel, like it, subscribe it, and look forward to hearing from you in due course. Thank you.